Since its launch in 1986, WBNA 21 has been Louisville's only locally owned full-powered television station. That's a big deal. In fact, it's very rare across the country. Most local stations are owned by large media groups with little stake in their markets. But while they're big, we're fast. The size of these groups and distance from their markets hinders them in our fast-moving world. Local ownership allows us to be the first to innovate. For example, 5 years ago, when stations switched from analog to digital broadcasting, WBNA was the first locally owned station to launch not 1, but 6 digital channels. It took years for other stations to offer additional digital channels. The freedom to innovate has become our biggest asset. WBNA still offers the community more channels than any other local station, with 6 channels. 21.1 features ION, which is a mix of locally grown television with award-winning programming. 21.2 Get TV brings classic films you love to your living room. 21.3 The Light of Louisville focuses on local ministry and inspirational programming. 21.4 RTV is a mix of classic programming with our locally grown television. 21.5 Cubo shows positive educational programming for children. 21.6 Soul of the South covers positive African-American oriented programming. Even though WBNA is faster, it's also the bigger station, for it has a bigger purpose. We see ourselves on a mission to better our community. We want to continue to provide positive, uplifting local programming. To do that, you'll see more local programming than ever before. We believe to maintain audience share in the changing media landscape, our programming needs to be more local, and we have to do it first. Let me introduce you to locally grown television. Secrets of Louisville Chefs. For over 12 years, this local program, hosted by Kevin Harnett, has been highlighting Louisville restaurants. Red and Blue Review, hosted by Gary Gupton, Howie Lindsay, and Daryl Bird. This show gives unprecedented coverage of UK and U of L. The Sound, in a partnership with 88.5 WJIE, WBNA TV 21 offers a local version of American Idol shot at the Louisville Mega Cavern. Deadbeat, a court documentary that takes cameras into Jefferson County courtrooms and brings awareness to the Louisville delinquent child support epidemic. Sports Buzz, Louisville's only live sports call-in show. 21 Live and iShop Local, local shopping programs connecting viewers with retailers. This model will continue to grow as WBNA TV 21 builds itself as Louisville's locally grown television station. Be on the lookout for more court documentaries, local high school sports, and even game shows. WBNA 21. We're faster, we're locally grown, we're the bigger station.